In this onboarding video, we'll guide you through the resource types of AssetLoom. Starting with assets. They are the main physical items your organization wants to track, manage, or monitor throughout their life cycle. Each asset has a unique asset tag that can be clearly identified in the system. They also have a status to show where they are in their life cycle. Assets are the center of the system, meaning everything else, accessories, licenses, and components, can be linked to them. Next, the accessories. They are supplementary items that support your assets, like keyboards, mice, headsets, or safety gear. And unlike assets, accessories are tracked by quantity rather than by individual records. Licenses cover your software and digital permissions, such as subscriptions, operating system licenses, or design tool seats. You can track licenses by seat count and assign them to users, devices, or departments accordingly. AssetLoom can track expiration and termination dates, and it will alert you before anything lapses unexpectedly. For the components resource type, they are individual parts or hardware that are usually installed into larger physical assets. In other words, they can only be assigned directly to an available asset. Things like RAM modules, hard drives, graphics cards, power supplies, or network modules. For consumables, they are items that get used up over time and are not returned after being issued, like batteries or cleaning supplies. And like components or accessories, they're also tracked by quantity. You can monitor consumables' stock levels and set reorder thresholds so the essentials never run out. To summarize, use assets for individually tracked main items. Use accessories for supporting items. Use licenses for software and digital access. Use components for parts installed in assets. And use consumables for items that get used up. Choose the right resource type to organize your workspace and maximize AssetLoom's features.